In October 2024, while touring Victoria Falls in Zambia, I met someone unforgettable. Her name is Gladys. She was our tour guide for that day. She was bright, she was friendly, she was completely in control. When my husband Mike decided that he wanted to walk just a little further, but it was completely across a bridge that nobody else wanted to go to, Gladys didn't hesitate. She went with him to make sure he was safe. It was at that moment it showed me something powerful in a little tiny girl. Leadership doesn't always come with a title. Sometimes it just shows up as responsibility. Throughout the remainder of the tour, even when we were with other guides, I couldn't stop thinking about how responsible she was. Throughout the remainder of the tour, I couldn't stop thinking about that impact, and I asked her if we could stay in touch. I thought about how capable she was and how limited her opportunities were simply because of her geography. The talent was there, the access wasn't. And that's when I realized I could either talk about empowerment or I could participate in it. So Gladys and I began a relationship, working together to build something that lasts. Not charity, but sustainability. Our mission was to create digital pathways, teaching people designs and business tools that allow her and others to compete globally while living locally. Here's the lesson for anyone watching. You don't have to wait for opportunity to find you. Sometimes you have to learn the tools and build it yourself. That's what I mean by build your own doors. It means understanding the systems, whether they're government, creative, or digital, and designing an entry point that works for you. Because access isn't given, it's engineered by smart people who learn how to make things happen. When I ran Easy Federal Resumes and More, my message was, smart people. I wanted to see more smart people working for the government like I was. What I mean by that still holds true. Smart people figure out how things work, and they use that knowledge to level up the playing field. That's the same mindset for Download Our Art. Technology and creativity have become the new equalizers. They shrink the gap between countries, resources, and opportunities. When you learn a creative skill, digital design, writing, video editing, you're building a door that no one else can close. So, what can you take from this story? Learn one digital skill that expands your reach. Canva, Gumroad, Etsy, anything that helps you share your ideas. Use that skill to empower someone else. Teaching what you've learned keeps the cycle of opportunity alive. And remember, every time you support creatives, like us, like me, like her, you're just not buying art, you're rebuilding bridges. That's why this channel exists, to teach, inspire, connect. Because creativity isn't limited by borders, it's only limited by our imagination. Smart people build their own doors to freedom.